Did you know that over 90% of people quit their workout routine in the first 3 months because they don't see results fast enough? If you're tired of long, exhausting workouts with little to show for it, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into a quick and efficient 10-minute HIIT workout that's perfect for beginners. It's designed to help you burn fat fast and get you results, even if you've struggled with consistency or motivation before. Hey, everyone, I'm here, a certified personal trainer and fitness enthusiast, and I've helped thousands of people just like you get started on their fitness journeys. I know how frustrating it can be to put in the effort but not see the results you want. I was there myself at the beginning, but with the right approach, even a short workout like this HIIT routine can give you incredible fat loss results. In today's video, I'll guide you through a 10-minute high-intensity interval training HIIT workout, ideal for beginners. We'll talk about how HIIT works, the benefits of shorter, intense workouts for fat loss, and I'll walk you through each exercise with demonstrations and tips on form. Stick around until the end, and you'll have a powerful fat-burning routine that fits into your schedule, no matter how busy you are. One of the biggest challenges beginners face is the misconception that you need to spend hours in the gym to see results. But the truth is, time isn't always the key factor. It's about the intensity and the type of workout. Many people do long, steady cardio sessions, which can lead to burnout or frustration when they don't see the fat loss they expect. HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, has been scientifically proven to burn more fat in a shorter amount of time compared to traditional cardio. The bursts of high-intensity movement followed by short periods of rest not only torch calories during the workout but keep your metabolism elevated for hours afterward. That's why it's so effective for fat loss, especially if you're pressed for time. If you've been working out but not losing fat, it's easy to get discouraged and give up. That feeling of not seeing progress is something many of us have experienced. But by incorporating HIIT into your routine, you can maximize fat loss, boost cardiovascular health, and increase strength without spending hours in the gym. Take Karen, for example. She was a busy mom struggling to find time for fitness. After incorporating just 2 10-minute HIIT sessions per week, she lost 10 pounds into months, all while balancing her work and family life. Or David, who had hit a fat loss plateau with traditional cardio. Switching to HIIT jump-started his fat loss, helping him drop 5% body fat in just a few weeks. So, what's the solution to fast, effective fat loss without sacrificing hours of your day? It's this 10-minute beginner-friendly HIIT workout. We'll focus on full-body exercises that target multiple muscle groups, keeping your heart rate up and turning your body into a fat-burning machine. These exercises are designed for beginners, so no matter your fitness level, you can follow along and get results. Here's what we'll be doing: 20 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds of rest for each exercise. You'll repeat each move for 3 rounds. If this is your first time, feel free to take a longer break or lower the intensity. Jumping jacks 20s work, 10 seconds rest x 3 rounds. A great full-body cardio move to get your heart rate up. Keep your core engaged and land softly on your feet. Bodyweight squats 20s work, 10 seconds rest x 3 rounds of fundamental lower body exercise. Make sure to keep your knees behind your toes and push through your heels as you stand up. Mountain climbers 20s work, 10 seconds rest x 3 rounds. A high-intensity core and cardio move. Bring your knees to your chest as fast as you can while keeping your core tight. Push-ups modified or full 20s work, 10 seconds rest x 3 rounds. Whether you're doing full push-ups or on your knees, focus on engaging your core and keeping your body in a straight line. Plank hold 20s work, 10 seconds rest x 3 rounds. A powerful core stabilizing exercise. Keep your body straight from head to heels and hold your core tight. Why does HIIT work so well? Let's talk about the science behind it. HIIT triggers something called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption (EPOC), which means after the workout, your body continues to burn calories as it recovers. Studies show that HIIT workouts can boost your metabolism for up to 24 hours after the workout, making it more effective for fat loss compared to steady-state cardio. Another reason HIIT is so effective is that it improves insulin sensitivity. This means your body uses carbohydrates more efficiently, storing less fat and using more of what you eat for energy. Dr. Martin Jabala, a leading researcher on HIIT, found that even 10 minutes of high-intensity exercise can be as effective for cardiovascular health as 45 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise. That's why you're able to see results in such a short period. Use split screens or picture-in-picture displays to show alternative variations of exercises for different fitness levels. Include on-screen text to remind viewers to breathe and engage their core.